Have you ever been watching Jurassic Park or one of its many spin-offs and wondered what it would taste like to drink some dino blood? Maybe you've thought about drinking your own blood after watching too many vampire movies. Well, whatever the reason, there are times when people do drink blood, either for medical purposes or as part of a cultural tradition. So today, we are answering the question of what dinosaur blood would taste like if you could drink it. Keep watching to find out. The first thing to know about blood is that it doesn't really have a flavor of its own. The iron content is what gives it the metallic taste that people describe as coppery. The rest of the flavor comes from other parts of the body. If you want to get an idea of what dinosaur blood would taste like, then you need to look at what kinds of animals have blood that we can drink. Of course, we are going to be looking at dinosaurs directly, since they have all been extinct for 66 million years. Instead, we'll be looking at their closest living relatives, birds. That's right, birds are dinosaurs. They are the only surviving members of the theropod group of dinosaurs, which includes the likes of Velociraptor and Tyrannosaurus rex. But don't just take our word for it. Scientists have confirmed through fossil evidence that birds are indeed related to dinosaurs. One of the best examples of this is the famous Archaeopteryx fossil found in Germany, which shows the transition between dinosaurs and birds. Now that we've established that birds are basically small dinosaurs, let's take a look at their blood. Since we aren't exactly allowed to cut open a chicken or eagle and drain it of blood, we instead got creative and looked at a closely related animal that we can access: pigs. Now, pig's blood has been used in medicine for thousands of years. It was even used during World War II by Nazi Germany as a treatment for wounded soldiers. Today, pig's blood is still used in some traditional medicines in China and other Asian countries. In these cultures, pig's blood is considered to be a rich source of iron and other nutrients. It's often consumed as a soup or stew. So, how does pig's blood taste? Well, if you ask those who have tried it, the answer is that it tastes very much like regular old cow's blood. And cow's blood has been drunk by humans for centuries. It's often used in religious ceremonies or as a folk medicine. So if you're curious what dinosaur blood might taste like, then cow blood might be the closest thing you'll ever get. According to those who have tried it, the taste of blood is mostly metallic with some earthy and salty undertones. Some have even compared it to the taste of a mushroom. Ultimately, though, everyone's experience with drinking blood is different, and there is no one definitive answer to what it tastes like. Now let's go back in time and talk about another animal whose blood we can drink. A relative of both dinosaurs and birds, crocodiles. Yes, just like dinosaurs, crocodiles have been around for a very long time. They are thought to have first appeared on Earth around 240 million years ago. This means that they were around at the same time as some of the earliest dinosaurs. Crocodiles are cold-blooded reptiles that live in both freshwater and saltwater habitats. There are 23 different species of crocodile alive today. They can be found in a variety of climates, including tropical, subtropical, and arid regions. Crocodiles are carnivorous, and they use their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to catch prey. They typically eat fish, but they will also consume mammals, birds, and reptiles. Despite their fearsome reputation, crocodiles play an important role in their ecosystems. They help to control populations of aquatic animals in their burrows, provide habitats for other creatures. Crocodiles are also a source of food for humans in some cultures. In fact, crocodile meat is considered a delicacy in some parts of the world. It's often grilled or fried, and it has a taste similar to that of chicken or fish. Crocodile skin is also used to make leather goods, such as belts and wallets. But what about crocodile blood? Well, it turns out that it has a number of potential health benefits. According to some reports, crocodile blood can be used to treat a variety of ailments, including asthma, arthritis, and even cancer. Some believe that the anti-inflammatory properties of crocodile blood can help to reduce pain and swelling in the body. Others claim that it can boost the immune system and improve overall health. There is some evidence to support these claims, but more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits of crocodile blood. In some parts of the world, such as in Vietnam and Cambodia, crocodile blood is used as a folk medicine. It's often consumed as a soup or in pill form. However, it's important to note that consuming crocodile blood can be dangerous. Crocodiles can carry diseases that are harmful to humans, so it's important to take precautions. Overall, while there is some evidence that crocodile blood may have health benefits, more research is needed to fully understand these potential benefits. Additionally, it's important to take into account the risks associated with consuming crocodile blood before trying it yourself. Finally, Let's take a look at another type of animal whose blood we can drink: sharks. Sharks are the most diverse group of fish in the ocean, with over 500 species found in all of the world's oceans.
Wow.
They come in a wide range of shapes and sizes, from the tiny dwarf lantern shark to the massive whale shark. Sharks are predators, and they use their powerful jaws and rows of sharp teeth to catch prey. They have a unique ability to detect electrical fields, which helps them to locate prey. Sharks also have a special organ called the lateral line, which allows them to sense vibrations in the water around them. Sharks play an important role in the ocean ecosystem. As apex predators, they help to keep populations of other marine animals in check. They are also a food source for other animals, such as seagulls and seals. However, despite their important role in the ecosystem, sharks are often viewed as dangerous creatures that attack humans. In reality, shark attacks are relatively rare, and most sharks are not aggressive towards humans. Sharks have been hunted by humans for centuries for their meat and also for their fins. The shark fin trade is a controversial issue, as the fins are often used in shark fin soup, which is considered a delicacy in some cultures. Overfishing and habitat destruction have led to a decline in shark populations around the world. Many shark species are now endangered or threatened. Conservation efforts are underway to protect sharks and their habitats. But what about shark blood? Well, it turns out that it has some unique properties that make it potentially useful for medical purposes. Shark blood contains a high concentration of iron, which makes it useful for treating iron deficiency. It also contains a variety of other minerals and nutrients. In some parts of the world, such as in Japan and South Korea, shark blood is used as a folk medicine. It's often consumed as a soup or in pill form. However, it's important to note that consuming shark blood can be dangerous, as sharks can carry diseases that are harmful to humans. Overall, while shark blood may have some potential medical uses, more research is needed to fully understand these benefits. Additionally, it's important to consider the ethical implications of using shark blood before trying it yourself. If you enjoyed learning about the blood of various animals, then we encourage you to watch more of our videos. We cover a wide range of topics in science, technology, history, and culture. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.